start with the question and answer series. The number one is the liability of the drawer mentioned in section dash of Negotiable Instrument Act. The liability of the drawer, that is maker. So under which section the liability is given? So whether it is section 30, 31, 35 and 32. Some questions you have to learn. Okay, some questions you have to learn. So tell me the exact answer. The liability of the drawer. In the promissory note, the drawer is a debtor. In bill of exchange, the drawer is the creditor. Okay, so always remember this thing. So for the first one, the exact answer, the liability of the drawer that is mentioned in this is section 30 is the right answer. Okay, whatever the section that we are mentioning, you have to remember these section. Okay, so this is the right answer. Next question. When bill is class transferred to any person so as to entitle him to claim the amount represented by the bill, then such transfer is called what? Whether it is called agreement, negotiation, endorsement and transfer. What is the exact answer of second one? When a bill is transferred to the any person so as to entitle him to claim the amount represented by the bill, then such transfer is called? It's a one word answer. Yes. When the bill is transferred. So when the bill is transferred, that is called the negotiation. So for the second one, B is the right answer. Okay. So when a bill is transferred to any person so as to entitle him to claim the amount represented by the bill, then such transfer is called the negotiation. So B is the right answer. Okay. Next. Dash means any person who for consideration become the possessor of a promissory note, bill of exchange or cheque. Whether it is called holder of the bill, bearer, holder in due course and endorsee. There's a one word to remember this sentence. The word is consideration. Now tell me the exact answer. Third one. In the Negotiable Instrument Act, as we know that the definition of promissory note, definition of cheque, definition of bill of exchange, payment in due course, holder and holder in due course. These are the important terms of this act. I have already sent you the PDF of your negotiable instrument. Okay, so tell me the exact answer. So here the answer is very simple. If the word consideration is there, so the exact word is that is a holder in due course is the exact answer. Okay, it's a holder in due course. Okay, cool. Next, fourth question is dash is a bill of exchange drawn as per requirement of the Negotiable Instrument Act and is not supported by documents of title of goods. Not supported by documents of title of goods. I'm highlighting the key word that will help you to find out the answer. Whether it is foreign bill, inland bill, usance bill and clean bill. What is the exact answer? Fourth one, what is the exact answer? So here, for the fourth one, the exact answer is clean bill is the right answer. Okay, it's a clean bill. Done? Now, next one. The acceptor of bill of exchange is bound to pay the amount thereof to the holder on demand before maturity. B option is on any date. C is within 30 days or at or after maturity. What is the exact answer of fifth one? the bill of exchange is bound to pay the amount thereof to the holder on demand. So whether it is before maturity, on any date, within 30 days, at or after maturity. What is the exact answer? As you know that in the check, when we represent the check, so it have a 3-month time period, right? In the promissory note and in the bill of exchange, the no time is required. So what is the exact date? And whatever the exact date will be, maturity days will be also provided under the promissory note and bill of exchange. So for this one, the exact answer is on any date. On any date, the amount of bill of exchange and the promissory note can be present. So this is B is the right answer. Okay, next. In land bill are paid only in India. Second, in foreign countries only, to resident of India, or in India or in foreign countries. Sixth one. Paid, not drawn. Because many students very confused. Suppose the word in land bill is there. In land bill, the answer is very simple. That is drawn in India. Okay, drawn in India. Now, paid. The difference between drawn and paid, I think you know what is the difference between these two. So what is the exact answer? Tell me. So for this thing, that is paid in India and also in the foreign countries also. So D is the right answer. Okay, D is the right answer. Next. A bill that is payable otherwise than on demand is called what? Demand bill, clean bill, usance bill, and none of the above. Seventh one. That is payable otherwise than on demand. It's a very simple one. Seventh one. And today class 81% discount is there. If you want to crack this exam anyhow in this session, so this 3000 MCQ batch will be really help you to crack your exam. In this batch, you can get you can get the 1000 question of each this one. Okay, so what will be the exact answer of this one? Yes, seventh one. The bill that is payable otherwise than on demand, that is simply seventh one. Usance bill is the right answer, because in each type of bill you have to remember the one word that we have discussed in the paid class. Okay, what is a demand bill? Clean bill. Suppose a clean bill is there, so we have already done that is without the document, so this is the right answer. Okay, next. Dash is an instrument payable on demand and no time for payment is specified. No time for the payment is specified, whether it is usance bill, demand bill, inland bill, or none of the above. None of the above. Eighth one. No time for payment is specified. If it is specified, then it is called usance bill. And if it is not specified, then what it will be called as? So for this thing, that is demand bill is the right answer. Eighth one, B is the right answer. Okay, cool. Next. A bill of exchange transaction can involve up to how many parties, class? Whether it is 2, 3, 4, and none of the above. Ninth one. A bill of exchange transaction can involve up to dash parties. 2, 3, 4 and none of the above. So a bill of exchange transaction that can be involved up to the ninth one. The party is 3. Okay. Why it is 3? Because A, this is B. A have to transfer the goods. B, 5 lakh. So A will make a bill of exchange. It will be transferred to the C person. C is the pay. This is the drawee and this is the maker. So that's why 3 is the right answer. Okay, cool. Next. A bill is made payable in England, the buyer or the drawee's location. So this is the example of inland bill, foreign bill, clean bill and demand bill. Tell me, 10th one. The bill is made payable in England. What is the exact answer? A bill that is made payable in England, then the buyer or the drawee location, then it is example of simply a foreign bill. So B is the right answer. Okay, cool. Next. Who may inspect the register of charges kept by registrar? Who may inspect the register of charges that is kept by the registrar? The auditor of the company, the person in whose favor the charge has been created, any person on payment of the prescribed fee, or the company whose asset has been charged. 11th one. As we know that if the borrower is, keeping any security to this bank, so the bank have to create the charge. So the charge topic that is given under the Company Act. So who can inspect the register of charges kept by the registrar? The answer is very simple. So for this one, 11th one, the exact answer is any person on the payment of the prescribed fee, that person will be allowed to this one. So 11th one, C is the right answer. Next. Who shall sign the annual return class? First, it shall sign by the company secretary in practice, whether there is no company secretary. B is it shall be signed by the director and the company secretary. C is it shall be signed by 2 directors, where there is no company secretary, and any of the person mentioned at the option A, B are correct. What will be the right answer of 12th one? Who shall sign the annual return? So the exact answer is D is the right answer, that A and B. Any person shall be signed by the company secretary in practice, and it shall be signed by the director and the company secretary. So that's why D is the right answer. Cool. Next. The company's instrument creating a charge and modification shall be prescribed for the period of dash year from the date of satisfaction of charge by the company, whether it is 5, 7, 8 and 15. The company's instrument creating a charge or modification, that is a changes, shall be preserved for how many year? 5, 7, 8, 15. So for this thing, the exact answer is it should be kept for the 8 year is the right answer. Okay, 13.1 C is the right answer. Okay, that's cool. So that is all for today's class. And C class, this is the batch which is going to be start from 10th of October. Why this batch is very important? Because this batch contain 1000 question of each subject, okay, in which we will do the previous year questions, we will solve the 200 case studies question, and so many questions of your half marks, 1 marks and 2 marks. This batch also contain the test series of your all the 3 paper. So you can do the test series after, completing of your paid batch. And then after, you will also get the ebooks in this batch plus the recorded video courses. And whatever the things that is given in this paid batch, that all will give you benefit. Why? Because, this is a last chance. As you know that this LRB subject is a scoring subject. If you really want to crack this exam, so this batch will really help you to crack this exam. So class, if you want to purchase this batch, why I'm saying, because after, in this session, I will not tell you that you have to study, because this is the only last year. So if you want to study, you have to click on Adda 24/7, click on all courses. If you click on all courses, click on JAIIB, and then this JAIIB November December English medium. So if you click on English medium, you can see here. You can also purchase the separate batch, or either you can purchase this one. So if you click on this, you can see first of all the test series, the recorded videos, live classes, ebook, etc. And the timing you can see here. So click on this one. Okay. And then put the coupon code, that is Y391. Click on apply, and you can see 80% discount is there. 80% discount. And if you want 1% more discount now, so you have to download the app in the mobile. Through mobile, the coins will be available. If you click on coins, so whatever you have a coins, you can get that much of discount. So that's why this batch is very important. So today the sale will be end. So if you want to purchase this, you have to use this code. Okay, then click on continue. You have to just fill your name, phone number, email, and that's it. Okay, so this is all about this batch. And if you want to purchase the JAIIB SEBI ka Mahapack, this will also give you the benefit. Why? Because today the discount is there, 81% plus double validity is there. Suppose if you purchase JAIIB SEBI ka Mahapack, the price is 50,000, but that is not the actual price. The actual price is only a very nominal price. And the double validity means 2-year validity is there, 2 year. So click on Y391, click on apply. You can see the price is only 10,199. And in this JAIIB SEBI ka Mahapack, 2 year. So the new syllabus will also cover here. No need to purchase any extra thing, because the test series, ebooks, all the batches that will be start from A to Z, everything will be available here. So that's why this is the very good opportunity. So if you want to grab this, use the code Y391 for the maximum discount. And you can also purchase the JAIIB ka Mahapack. In JAIIB ka Mahapack, only the today 1 year discount, 1 year, this validity is going on. Generally it was, generally it is 6 month, but today if you purchase, the 1 year validity is there for the JAIIB ka Mahapack. So in the JAIIB ka Mahapack, till October to next October, your validity will be there. So whatever the new batches, new series will become, it will be automatically come in your lappy. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Have a nice day, and we will meet you tomorrow at 9 p.m. and class, please also do not forget to see the session of 7:30 p.m. also, in which we just do the bilingual, but it is also important one. Thank you so much.